Hey guys, how's it going? This is Tim Shaves, and today we're going through a lathering session / testing. Take a couple quick strokes with my Kamisori Shavette, because today I will be trying this one out. I've tried something similar to this last time, or a couple videos ago, but this is gonna be the Spearhead Shaving Company's experimental soap 20.1 Bravo edition. So this is going to be one of the most recent releases from the Spearhead company. This is probably going to be what they're going to be using for the latest release for the soaps. However, I think they're making some adjustments here and there. As I have seen, I think they made a 20.1 Charlie C. So let's see which edition that they go with in the future. But that said, this one is mildly scented with the bay rum. It's pretty nice. Just a mild light bay rum reminds me of a Captain's Choice. Very inoffensive. Just nice for me. Don't get any headaches, which is a good thing. And using it, I'm using it with this brush. I haven't used it a bit. This is the Craving Shaving Gaia brush. Beautiful colors, beautiful pour with the Crave knot, synthetic knot. It's got a bit of backbone, a bit springy, but it's very soft on the tips. Hope you guys are doing well out there, staying safe, and having a good day or night, wherever you are. Yeah, it's been quite monotonous for me, but just keep trucking along. Alright, shall we go and start? Let me wipe my face to begin. Alright. Got that. Oh man, my hair is getting way too long. But got nowhere to go. Alright, just gonna dip the brush underwater. No need to soak synthetics. This is sopping wet. Just gonna shake it off a couple times. That was 4 shakes. I just like this kind of gelled tips to start off with. Just make just a little bit of water, not too much. Alright, I'm gonna load for 15 seconds. Here we go. Starting there. 5 more seconds. Alright, that should be it. Just a little bit. Not too much. Alright, I'm going to use the excess on my face. Now, why do I go for 15 second rule? Because I've learned that with synthetics and good soaps, a 10-second load will give me a 3-pass shave. But since this is a first time use of the soap, I'll make it 15. Also, hopefully this bay rum doesn't irritate my skin because it's a light scented. I've had bay rum burn my skin before, but so far, the soap is feeling really slick, almost like a moisturizer. Let's see how it goes. Here we go. Let's get on lathering. Okay, starting off, I could tell that it is not as thick as their 17.2 version. And I think they tweaked the ingredients to make it less thirsty. But let's see how easy it is to lather. Get more water here. Start displaying. Wow, yeah, this is a lot less thirsty, which is good for people who want a quick shave, but I do enjoy thirsty soaps. But, definitely still dry. I'm gonna add some more water here. Yeah, this is really easy to lather. It's really slick as well. It's not going crazy in volume. It's actually rather very low structure, but let's see if I can add more water here. Definitely taking water. I think it's shaveable at this point, but I'm gonna keep on adding water and see how it turns out. Yeah, I think that's a perfect amount of water in the lather. Look at that. Very glossy, a lot of sheen, plenty of slickness. I really feel like this is like a moisturizer on the skin. Very good post shave. I mean, even though it's not really, I can't really tell the post shave features right now, it just really feels good on the skin. Like a lot of fatty butters. Alright, I'm gonna add more water here. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, there's a lot that definitely takes some water. Definitely. It's not as thirsty as their 17.2, but it still takes a lot of water, which is good. Alright, gonna add more water here. See? Yeah, look at this, a lot of the building. It's definitely hydrated, but I'm gonna add more water here. More water. Yeah, I'm drenching this in water now. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's when this happens. Yeah, look at this soap here. Wow. That is amazing. This is like the Chris Madden Lava from Another Cut Above. Good stuff. Look at this. Holy moly. It's getting real slippery. Just gonna wash up the handle really quick. Alright, I'm just gonna test out how it cuts using the CJB Kamisori Shavette. Oh man, that's nice looking lava. Fully hydrated. I wish I could get this every time. It takes way too long, as you can tell. Alright, let's see if I can take a couple strokes here, see how it goes. Look at that. Look at that. Holy moly. That is smooth any growth there. But it's rinsing off pretty easily, so I think that that's well hydrated. Let's try other side here. That is nice. Yep, very smooth, good residual slickness. I think that's a success. Alright, let me rinse this off and see how many passes I can get, because oh man, that's feeling really good. Alright, that's the first pass. Alright, yeah, this almost feels like lotion on the face, which is crazy. Tons of residual slickness. This might be one of my favorite soaps of 2020. Alright, let's go for that second pass. Here we go. Boom. Second pass within 10 seconds right there. Look at that. Hydrated lava. That's good stuff. Alright, second pass. Let's rinse off and go for a third. Gonna speed this up here. Third pass. That's third pass right there. Rinse up, go for a fourth. Here we go. Alright, I had to work in the lava a bit, but as you can see, that's still good. Fourth pass. Let's go for a fifth. Alright, here we go. Still plenty. That fifth pass right there. a sixth. Completely rinsing off. Here we go. Six pass. And still it feels slick. Wow. Look at that. I think I'm gonna stop it here because could probably go up to like 9th pass if I continue. But basically get 2 shaves done out of a 15-second load. And this is why I could load for 10 seconds and still get a 3-second pass with a synthetic. Wow, that feels great. It's good. Feels great on the skin, at least so far. Yeah, excellent soap. Easy to work with, less thirsty than the 17.2 version, but still as creamy and thick. Yeah, I'm really enjoying this. Although I do like the thirsty side of it. This one is definitely easy to work with, better suited for starters and people who don't hydrate their lather as much. What was I gonna say? Yeah, I think that's it for the soap. Really enjoyed it. Thickness was good. Postshave was my skin's feeling fine. Skin's not irritated, so it can take better. Yeah, just a good, I think it's a good soap. Highly recommend. Used it with the Craving Shaving Gaia brush. Took a couple strokes with this bad boy. But that said, thank you guys for watching. I know it was a long video, but I just wanted to test out the features of the soap and see how many passes I can get. And it worked well. Thank you guys for watching. This is Tim Shaves, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya.